Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese firecracker. All you need is a piece of paper. Even the dumbest of you can make this because it's not really hard. So, okay, so first you take the paper, turn it so that it faces this way. You fold it up to about here. It should look like this.
Then you
fold this way so that it goes like this. And it should look like this. You slide this back, and you can hold this like this, like right here. You take it, and you should be able to, it should make a popping noise whenever you bring it down, so like that. Easy to make, and yeah, you can make them anywhere too.